they can say to describe the evaluation of the use of databases, to identify the awareness of the use of databases. They can say that because you have to describe, to evaluate, to define. That is an active verb. Objectives, you get them with active verbs. Don't confuse yourself, guys, please. Sometimes they can say to study the prevention of flu to dogs, or to study the, what can I say, to study the vaccine of dogs. You have know that there is an acting verb there. We take that thing as an objective. And the important thing, guys, that I must tell you is that sometimes you can read an article and you won't find everything. Sometimes you won't find school. You have to jump it. Don't waste your time. Maybe if you're writing a test or exam, maybe you don't see a scope, you must jump it. You will come back, because sometimes it's paragraph, sometimes you have to write it the way, like any paragraph you want. Maybe you can say purpose, aim, and what can I say, and background on the same paragraph. But you must know these things, guys, they go hand in hand, like they go like the way they are. From background you go to purpose. You can't write background and write aim, and after the right purpose. No, you must find it the way they are. Okay, yes, after that, yeah, we're going to methods. Method is what methods did they use? For example, research methods, they can say we use what can I say, experimental, quantitative, on the, because we have, don't forget, we have approaches and we have the methods. They can say we use quantitative, qualitative, or mixed method. On the other example, I can say that they can say we used the questionnaire to ask people about our research. So guys, you must find a thing that say we used this method to do this and this, to find or to collect our information. That's how you get it. The other thing is results. Results, guys, you don't find them on results, because sometimes they can what can I say, they can provide an article and say take out the results and write that article as a paragraph form, to say on, maybe on the 9th paragraph they say results in caps. On that results, you won't find results. I tried, guys, but you have to know. Let me define it first. Results summarize the most significant findings. But where do you find it? You will find the results on the discussions, because on the results they can say we used injection to inject the dogs, or we used the injection to inject the vaccine of flu to dogs. That is not the result. But on the discussion, they will tell you that, okay, through our injection of injecting the dogs the vaccine of flu, we have found that that is the results. That's where you find them. The results are discussions. Through the discussion that they discuss their research, that's where you find them. After that, guys, it is implications. Implications, it can be consequences, or it can explain the broader significance of results, like conclusions. So implications, guys, through the findings of the vaccines, what are the consequences? Like, what are the things that they found through that research? We have found that research can be harmful, can be expensive, costly. That way you'll know that, okay, implication, I found the consequences, or something that affect our research. That way you'll get them. The next, second last, is conclusion. Conclusion is a summary of the key findings and their importance. They answer the original research questions. Conclusions, you'll get them on the conclusions, but you must be cautious about this, because conclusions, you can also get them on results. But as I told you, and I think that you will understand, between results and conclusion. Conclusion, it means that they are concluding their research. It is not their results. In no way conclusion and results can be the same. So you will know, okay, results are things that they got from injecting. Conclusion, they are concluding. They are telling them their views, to say, okay, we found this and this, but we think this and this. You'll find them on conclusions, on the end, the last paragraph. And we have also recommendation. So guys, recommendation, I can tell you how you find them. Recommendation, guys. Okay, guys. Recommendation. Recommendation, I can tell you how to find them. Ne? Recommendation, you find them by, maybe they state the suggestion, to say that we suggest that don't use that vaccine, or we suggest that, guys, that vaccine is harmful to animals, or to dogs, or to kids. Or consideration, we consider you to use this and this. That is a recommendation. They recommend you to do something, not the thing that you stated that you're going to do. No,